What's up, guys? So welcome back to the Daily Entertainment Bars right here on that Sεkx TV. And if you are new here and you haven't subscribed to this channel, I will urge you to kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking the subscribe button below and also clicking on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime we drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. Yeah, so straight to today's bars, I used to have sex multiple times in a day with my significant during our first year of marriage, Salinko revealed. Yeah, so Kumawood and comic actor Salinko has raised eyebrows with his recent revelation. In an interview with Emilia Broby on Emilia's Hour, Salinko talked about marriage and how guys choose their partners, and somewhere in there he dived into his marriage. Talking about his marriage, he said during the first year of their marriage, he went on a sex marathon with his wife, having sex 6 times in a day. This revelation by Salinko has surprised many but still understandable. Comments and reactions from the public is very interesting, including how Salinko even reacted to it. Okay guys, watch the video and also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below.
And remember, you should subine.
Okay.
You would ye dear, and you would ye this year. And my petty says he capeno. You will schedule out the Koto bank accounts, Mom found Sanka, and you will be also I was say with you. Ye subine, and your dressing away. Uncle Papa be our sra, or perfume Papa be our walk. And if you Papa be our with him, any school Papa be our coy.
And a bear my best chef on some day.
I may refer within bear ye and a dear. Now you timikum, I be clan, the ancient on be and I'm sis.
Okay.
1 year consistently, no.
Wow, there's a sex a bow rim.
Oh, yeah, therapy. Papa so open for charge and I did. I can't know what to muka credit when you